Kinat ko lang po to. So again, maglalaro po tayo ng Payback 2. Bigyan nyo lang po ng 100 likes ang video na ito. Kung gusto nyo pa ng part 2 ng Payback 2. Oh shit, busted na naman ako ha. So kinat ko lang po itong video na ito. Haba-haba na pinandigat kanina. Kaya start ko na lang So pag GT is the most powerful, have a most loud horn sa buong game. Pag GTI na yon ay may pinakamalakas na busina guys. Oh shit, it's traffic. Traffic na naman. Ako po, may kalaban dito. Monster kill. Pag GT ay okay. Dapat tayong matapos sa episode na sa game episode na to. Okay, brawl. I don't want to use a grenade when have a death match. Ito yung PUBG. Ito. Bossing. Meron ng kotse mo, bossing. Magagawin lang ang mabilis lang. Oh shit, not good. Ito. Kaya maghanap tayo ng mga kalaban ngayon. Nandito sila pang magdidinamita muna tayo. Kaya nga po pala kinuha ko tong bus. Dahil malakas po yung ano nito. Hindi po agad na sumasabog kapag pinasubugan ng granada. Nasip ka. Oh shit. Subukan natin ito guys. Baril-baril na ako. Ngayon pala, takot ko yun. Sasabihin ba? Huwag yung binabaril-baril ng ganyan, no? Mga boss. Ayaw yung madeds. Ayaw yung ginaganyan, no? Ako na yung Lamborghini. Limousine. I will give him a lesson. Boom. He's dead, bro. Oh, ito din ako. Wow, third ako. Ay, first place. Yes. 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 Okay, the last game is the out with a bang. With a bang. So it's a Portia. Okay, I need to stay out. Alas na tayo sa 16th place dahil layo ko pang mamatay. Gusto ko pang mabuhay. Oh yeah, first place. First place ako mga lodi. Sasabog yan. Pati ako sinabog. Reset. Oh shit, sinabog na naman ako. Okay, I'm dead. I need to restart it. I'm dead. I'm gonna go out in the 16th place. Malay-lay ako pang mamatay. Gusto ko pang mabuhay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, talagis na yan na. Napatiyempo pa ako na tinamaan ng rocket launchers. Oh shit. Habol tayo, habol. Ang pagbabalik ni Amir sa nilang gaming. Oh shit. Oh shit. Not good. Ah? Shit. Okay, once again ulitin po natin dahil medyo may kadayaan yun. Pagka-barrel sa akin, tapos nahulog ako sa tubig. Tapos, diretso sumabog. Which is, I get knocked out. Nabawi tayo. Tinira ko si Bunny guys. Si Bunny. Oh shit na naman. Talo ay knockdown na naman. Oh no. Not again. Focus guys, focus. This is my hate game. I've never play. Yun, first place tayo. Ang pagbabalik ni Amers sa Ngilang Gaming guys. I need to be faster. ASAP. Oh shit. Drifting method. I get knocked down by the water. I get drowned. And support. I need to catch up. No. No. I need to catch up. Lose. Enemies. Already at the third place. Oh no. I'm almost dead. It's fine. It's fine to me na pang third place ako guys. It's fine to me. I will restart it tomorrow or later, which is it's done. Quick sprint with a jack taxis. A few episodes pa at tapusin ko na ang video nito. Oh shit. Ang daming na drone guys. Ang daming na drone. Ang ground. I mean, madaming na drowned. Ronnie is so fast. I don't want to drown again. Ayoko nang malunod. Uy, may bumaligtad. Hey yo guys, I'm the first place. This is my payback. Oh yeah, I'm the winner. Next is the 4 minus 4 or 442. What is this? Capture the swag again, guys. So kung gusto niyo pa po ng part 2 ng video nito, bayan niyo lang po to ng mga 50 or 100 likes lang naman. Patay na po mga person. Ano ito PUBG? I'm going to steal their swag. Or are they Where's the base? Where's the enemy base? I don't know where's the base. Can't find it. Is it here? Guys, nandito ba? Or napalayo yata ako? I'm finding the enemy swag or enemy base. I'm finding the enemy's base, guys. Okay, yun. Nagalit ang lampahan na ito yung sakyan ko I'm almost here. Ito na yun. Oh shit. Bossing, I'm stuck. Buddy, I'm stuck. Balikan na natin yung aking kotse. Punta na tayo sa aming ano. Delikado ba yung base, yung kotse ko? Shit, what happened to my car? Shit. Bah, what happened? Namatay ko. Oh no. Paputok time. Need to get the pag duty. Sabi ka dyan, pre. Lulusubin ko na itong mga hanap na to. I have their swag. I have the enemy swag. And we are done. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give a like this video. And yun, nakakuha na naman tayo ng bagong episode. Naka-unlock na naman. Which is Godfather. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm Marsang Gaming, signing out. Goodbye.